Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. First and foremost, I encourage you to read the announcements for lesson 5 and lesson 6. It talks a little bit about what's due this week. And last week I offered extra credit in the week 2 notes at the very bottom of the announcement, and only 3 people were able to take advantage of that because only 3 people apparently read to the bottom of the page. So please keep checking your announcement and read them all the way to the end. Okay, so for our week 3, we have lesson 5 and 6. So we started discussion board this week. So you want to know that. We need to post before Wednesday your initial post. And what you're going to do for the discussion board is you're going to read some articles. There's also a quiz over the articles, the activity quiz. So you're going to read these articles, and then you're going to answer this question. Have your career goals stayed the same or changed after reading these articles? So you're going to post that. Remember that your post should be substantial and have at least 100 words to it. And then you're going to reply for the rest of the week to your classmates. So that is the discussion board for the week. We'll go back here. And there's a couple quizzes you need to get done. Chapter 9. Chapter 13, and then submit your 4-year plan. Please follow the instructions because they're different for if you're a freshman, sophomore, or junior, senior. So please follow those. Now you'll see here that report your discussion board it says lesson 5. It's not due to lesson 6, so that's kind of in the wrong place. So you can kind of ignore that or go back to it for lesson 6. But it's not due till Saturday. But the rest of this is due Wednesday. So for lesson 6, we continue with the discussion board. We have a chapter 5 quiz, and then you have a self-assessment, also a mid-course feedback, which I'd appreciate if you would take the time to do. It's only worth 1 point, but still 1 point could make the difference between an A and a B, or an A minus and an A. Okay, so that's it for the week. If you have questions, let me know. And I hope you have a great week.